Assalamualaikum dear students, how are you? Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is Sabrina Jahan Bhuiya, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take Bangladesh and Global Studies class for the students of class 8. And dear students, our topic is chapter 3, lesson 1 to 3. And of course it is related with our assignment 2, and our lecture number is 27. Now we will discuss about our topic. Okay dear students, so let's see on the board. Look dear students, here I have written about our assignment 2 topic. Okay, our assignment 2, you will get this question and you have to write this question, okay, properly. Look, you will get question from chapter 3 and its lesson number is 1 to 3, and you will get another, you can get question from chapter 5 to lesson 1 to. That means to finish these questions you have to read these both chapters properly, okay. And now we will look in the question, okay. Look, read the stem and answer the following questions, okay. Dear students, at first here I am going to write that assignment 2, okay. Okay, now I am going to discuss about this. Okay, in our assignment 2 you will get this question, and the question is read the stem and answer the following questions. The general activities of Ronnie's school are closed because of COVID-19. It is being used as a COVID center. Last week a COVID positive patient was identified in the house next to Ronnie's. Okay, the family is in a dire situation as the neighbors have cut off all communication with their home. The local volunteers of the area reduce their sufferings with the help of information and communication technology by maintaining safety rules. Okay, look, now the question is what is the meaning of cultural assimilation? Number 2, that means number B, give 2 examples of social changes. Okay, number C, make a list of the voluntary initiatives that can be taken by school friends in your area for COVID victims. Okay, and number D, explain the effect of information and communication technology in our socialization in the situation described in the STEM. Look dear students, now I am going to give you some ideas so that you can give these questions answer properly. So at first we have to read chapter 3 and chapter 5 properly so that you can get, or you can write all of these questions answer properly. And of course you have to write it by your creativity way. Okay, don't follow your book, don't follow that means you have to follow your book, but don't write this as you have seen in your book line by line. You cannot write this from your book. You have to write this that what you have understood from this topic, okay, which you have read from the book, and what you have got as an idea, okay. And you have to apply this in your writing, okay. That means you have to show your creativity, skillness, okay, in this writing. Now I am going to discuss about this topic, okay. Look here, chapter 3 and lesson 1, cultural change and development idea of Bangladesh. Look here, at first, man lives together in society. He creates many things to meet up his demand. All his creative works are culture. The form of culture varies in terms of society and place. The people and society of Bangladesh have their own culture. The culture of this country is not static in a place. Our culture also changes, keeping pace with the environment, atmosphere and time. In culture, positive and expected change is called development. Culture is transferred from one generation to another. Thus, through this process of transfer, some changes occur in culture. Again, culture may change, coming in touch with another culture. This is called cultural change. Okay, dear students, look here I have written in a short way, but you will get it about this discussion. You will get it elaborately from your book, okay, properly. Now look, now I am going to discuss about this topic, that is our first topic is what? Cultural change and development idea of Bangladesh. Look, generally development means anything that attains fulfillment gradually from the start. Okay, there was a time when development meant expected economic change or economic progress, but according to the sociologist, development means social development. Okay, dear students, usually development or social development is a kind of social change, as social development causes cultural change. Okay, as social development causes cultural change, also cultural changes bring about development. For example, the use of tractor in place of plow is a material cultural change. Okay, as a result of this, production in agriculture has increased, which has improved people's standard of living. Okay, now we'll go to our next part, that means lesson 2, and its topic name is what? Social change and characteristics of development. Okay, here we have learned social change, development from the above lesson. Now the traits of social change are discussed below. Okay, dear students, look here. The aim of development is to improve the living standard of all the people of the society, to reduce or eradicate exploitation and discrimination, and to use knowledge, science and technology, okay, for the welfare of human beings. Culture means the ways of living of people. The development of science and technology denotes cultural change. Okay, therefore social change and development often seems to be synonymous. Okay, this cultural change is characteristics of development. Okay, clear? Now number 2, abstract culture does not change so fast as material culture does. Okay, so this imbalance in cultural change creates problems in the society and ultimately hinders development. Okay, dear students, so the velocity in cultural change is a trait of it. Okay, now number 3, development priority says the development priorities is to fulfill the basic needs of man. Here I have written it shortly, you can get it immediately from your book. Okay, when the basic need of man is fulfilled, society improves and development is expedited. Okay, so changes are found at different levels of the society. Now number 4, a characteristic of cultural change and development is that change does not always gradually go upward in a straight line. Okay, gradually go upward in a straight line. So here look, number 4 is what? A characteristic of cultural change and development is that change does not always gradually go upward in a straight line. Okay, sometimes cultural change goes downward. So both upward and downward movements are called changes. Okay, one is positive and the other is negative, but development indicates upward or positive change. So cultural change is the positive change in culture. Okay, now number 5, both cultural change and development take place within a time limit. This is another trait of change. Okay, for example, Old Stone Age and New Stone Age are two periods. There are differences between the cultures of these two periods. These differences have been created with change of time. So many tools of Old Stone Age have developed in New Stone Age. This is cultural development or change. Okay, now we will go to the next lesson, lesson 3. Here we have found that different elements of cultural change and develop. Here I have written only the point and you will get this description about this point in your book. Okay, our first point is what? Span of culture. Here generally two cultures come in contact and change each other. The more frequent and longer lasting this closeness becomes, the more cultural exchanges happen. Okay, one culture will receive something of the other through this process. This moving tendency of culture and its spread from one society to another are called the span of culture. Okay, that means culture is spread through the mixture of cultures. Okay, look here, culturization. About culturization, the process of receiving the elements of other culture and making them of one's own by keeping the original one untouched is called culturization. Culturization is strong in our country because she is ruled several times by external rulers. The touch of different culture is the reason of culturization. For example, the English ruled us 200 years. So many English words have got mixed with our language. Then our number 3 wrong point is what? Cultural absorption. Look here, please follow this point very carefully. Cultural absorption is a kind of process through which individuals or group absorbs other culture. Look dear students, here we have got a question from our STEM, that what is the meaning of cultural assimilation? That means cultural assimilation or cultural absorption. Okay, so this about this question you can get an idea that the cultural here you can get an idea that cultural absorption or cultural assimilation is a kind of process through which individual or group absorbs other culture. Okay, now culture, then cultural ideas. Okay, now I am going to say something about cultural ideals. That means the culture of every country or society has its own culture, cultural ideas, which mean the type of culture of the people of a country or society, their behaviors, food, dress, beliefs, religious beliefs, okay, etc. This is a then for these ideals we notice differences in culture, and this is a type of variation of culture. Okay, now last point is what? Technology and cultural development. Here at present we notice tremendous changes in the culture of Bangladesh. Okay, so dear students, this is called cultural change. The impact of Western culture is great in the people of Bangladesh. Besides the impact of technology and cultural development, rapid advancement of modern technology and material culture improve the culture of a society. The whole world has turned into a global village due to the improvement of information technology. As a result, communication process has developed. Now we can learn what is happening on the other corner of the world sitting at home. One culture is coming in touch with another. Look dear students, you have by learning this point you can get an idea. You can get an idea from these steps for Dinong question. That means the question was explain the effect of information and communication technology in our socialization in the situation described in the STEM. Okay, so if you follow this system, I think you will get some ideas. Okay, technology and cultural development. How can you can get this idea? You can write here that the whole world has turned into a global village due to the improvement of information technology. As a result, communication process has developed. Now we can learn what is happening on the other corner of the world sitting at home. One culture is coming in touch with another. Poor culture is receiving quickly the elements of rich culture. Thus technology transforms culture and develops. We can talk with one another. Okay, who are living far away from us. Okay, then we can that means we can do any kind of things, any kind of which we, in a second, okay, in a few minutes by this by the effect or by the help of this technology and cultural development. Okay, by the development of technology and cultural things. Okay, now dear students, here we have discussed some things from chapter 3. Okay, and our question was here, what is the meaning of cultural assimilation? I think you have got about this answer to give 2 examples of social changes. You can write two examples about social changes that you have found in this present situation. Like we have used now electricity instead of lamp, which we have used in our previous time, and now another example, like we have used now multiple or what we can use now. We can use online class. We can do online class beside our educational institutions. Okay, like this way you can write 2 examples about our social changes that you have found in your life. Okay, then make a list of the voluntary initiatives that can be taken by school friends in your area for COVID victims. So you have to make a list that how can you help your area or your local people. Okay, your area's people. You can make awareness among them. Okay, for example, you can write you can advise them to use hand sanitizer. You can then another thing that they can avoid any crowded place. Okay, they can avoid any crowded place. Then another point is they have to make a distance when they are working, and they have to make a distance about 3 feet from each other. Okay, like this, so you have to make a list. Okay, by the help of your school friends. So you have to make these questions answer. Explain the effect of information and communication technology in our socialization in the situation described in the STEM. So I think above this system or to read this system, you can find a solution to about the effect of information and communication technology in our socialization. Dear students, you have to read chapter 5 too. Okay, then I think you can get all of this, you can write all of these questions answer properly, and we have already finished to write these chapters in our class. Okay, in our class and in our live class too. Okay, so we will discuss about our topic once again if we get time. Okay, so dear students, I hope you have understood our today's topic properly. Please do your assignment properly, and of course if you find any kind of problem, contact with me, and I have given my phone number and messenger address too. So dear students, I hope you have understood our today's topic. Keep practicing this, and of course do your assignment properly. See you again.